Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll cover date function in SQL. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on subscribe button here and click on bell icon so that you will notify as soon as we upload any video. The first date function which we are going to cover here is months between. For example, select months between 31st December 2020 and 1st January 2020 from dual. The months between function have two parameters in date types, and the month between functions give us the number of months between two dates. Between January 1st and 31st December, the number of months is almost 12. And if you want to have the exact 12 number, we have studied round function in our previous tutorials. We can have round function here to get the exact result as 12. The next date function which we are going to cover here is add months. For example, select add months 1st January 2020 and the number of months which you are going to add to this date from dual. So the add months function have two parameters, one a date and the other number of date which we are going to add to this date. So here the date is 1st January and we are going to add 3 months to it. So the result will be 1st April 2020. The next date function which we are going to study here is next day. For example, select next day 18 December 2020 and name of a day Monday, for example, from dual. So the next day function also have two parameters, one a date and the other name of a day. The next day function give us the date on coming Monday after 18 December 2020, which is 21st December 2020. And the next date function which we are going to study here is last day. For example, select last day 18 December 2020 from dual. The last day functions give us the last day of December, which is 31st December 2020. So here we reached to the end of this tutorial. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.